Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Samsung dishwasher bottom bar not moving, rail clip and motor check. Fix 1. Clean physical obstruction. You just have to turn off the power to the dishwasher at the circuit breaker. Open the door and pull out the bottom disc rack completely. Inspect the track running along the bottom floor for food, glass or debris. Clean debris out of the track using a damp cloth or toothbrush. Fix to reset the spray bar. You just have to locate the bar at the back or front of the track. Pull the bar up firmly to unclip it from the sliding mechanism. Clean the bar under a running water to clear clogged spray holes. You have to check the clips, usually orange or white for cracks or damage. Align the bar back onto the track mounter and press down until it clicks. Fix 3. Clean the magnet and vane sensor. You just have to locate the small magnet on the underside of the moving assembly. Wipe the magnet to remove slime, hard water built-up or metallic debris. Verify the magnet is still securely attached and not missing. Locate the sensor on the bottom tube floor where the bar docks. Clean the sensor area with the vinegar and water to ensure a clear signal. Fix 4. Reset the dishwasher. Close the door completely. Turn the power back on at the circuit breaker. Press and hold the start or drain button for 3 seconds to clear temporary air. Run a quick cycle to see if the bar moves normally. Thanks for watching.